you've ever been at a campground under a light, or stopped at a rest area and needed to park overnight under a light, a Walmart or Cracker Barrel, whatever, this particular fan in this layout gives me like an alien abduction light right where I sleep, like right here. So this, in addition to the condensation drip elimination, this is gonna be fantastic. Look at that. Huh? I'm so excited. It's wonderful. I bought some covers, quilted covers, for our fantastic fans. And I bought them because we often are in cold weather, even when we don't mean to be, it's cold. That was a quick one. What's interesting is, and cool, is we'll get final alignment ability. See how the magnets are strong and it keeps everything where it's supposed to be. So all I'm going to do is keep going around and placing. They click together, they can chip, and they leave these sharp little metal pieces. So you got to be mindful. So I didn't affix them with any sort of sticky tape or anything, and the magnets behind the plastic will find the magnets here. You can kind of hear them sliding to meet those magnets, and then you kind of just align it how you want. We'll have to see how this holds up over time. Just towed, just a quick tow, and I don't think these are going to work. I don't think the magnets are where they're supposed to be anymore. Now the internet said I didn't need to secure them or fasten them in there at all, but ooh, no. Oh, barely. It's barely on, but we did find tiny little instructions in the packaging that say you can put them on with painter's tape or masking tape. So now we're gonna revisit everything and do it the way it says in the instructions. The internet was wrong. I would do it right the first time. I'll put a link to the VanEssentials covers, which I'm pretty happy with how they're stitched and how they're made, and they have insulation in them. And I like how strong the magnets are when they're in the appropriate locations. So. What? No. Yep. So, we're going to revisit this and do it right.
Looks like they moved to the screw.
I can feel them sliding together.
Okay, so they're vaguely separated.
I'm missing one on this side. I'm missing all of them on this side. Where do you think they went?
Good question.
This probably took me 2 or 3 minutes to swap out, put the tape on, especially because I was using Andrew as my tape dispenser. So I just slapped the magnets on. Now I'm popping the screws back in. Oh, don't want to scratch it. And then I am going to see how it fits. The magnet is fighting me to put the screwdriver in. There. For sure. Try it again. Ta-da! I like it. Oh, now I gotta do the back one. It'll take me another 2 minutes. So, and then I'm gonna clean these fans. Gross. 2 of the magnets from the back one have broken from snapping together, and we noticed this before we even installed them. When they come in the package and you try to separate them and they snap back together sometimes. they chip and break, and these are pretty sharp. So you want to be mindful if you're going to use these magnets.
Fortunately, we had one extra in each, so these 2 magnets, we've got a spare for each.
Correct. That works pretty great. Now, these are embarrassingly dirty, and I'm going to just pull it down, hopefully without breaking it. Andrew is wiping the fan blades off because I have it all open. Do you want solvent? Because they're probably oily from cooking.
I've got a spray here.
Okay. These are embarrassingly dirty. So my favorite way to clean them is just to pop it out and take it to my sink. And make a giant mess. I often use the shower. Now, I have vacuumed these regularly, but I find that it doesn't get the finest dirt out of the screens. So I end up doing this anyway. Oh, it's so great.